Do you know when to use the article D in geographical names? Let's make it simple. Rule 1. Use D with deserts and mountain ranges, not with single mountains.
মরুভূমি ও পর্বত শ্রেণীর আগে ডি ব্যবহার করতে হবে, কিন্তু একক পর্বতের আগে নয়।
So, use D for deserts and mountain ranges like the Sahara, the Gobi, the Rockies, the Himalayas, the Alps, the Andes. Incorrect. The highest mountain in the world is located in Himalayas. Correct. The highest mountain in the world is located in the Himalayas. Use no article for individual or single mountains, like Everest, Kilimanjaro, Fuji. Incorrect. He was set on climbing the Mount Everest. Correct example is he was set on climbing Mount Everest. Rule 2. Use D with island groups, not with single islands.
দ্বীপপুঞ্জের আগে ডি ব্যবহার করতে হবে, কিন্তু একক দ্বীপের আগে নয়।
So use D for island groups. For examples, the Maldives, the Philippines, the Bahamas. Incorrect. She spent her honeymoon in Maldives. Correct. She spent her honeymoon in the Maldives. Use no article for single islands. For example, Sri Lanka, Borneo, Greenland. Incorrect. He plans to visit the Sri Lanka next year. Correct. He plans to visit Sri Lanka next year. Rule 3. Use D with rivers, but not with lakes.
নদীর আগে ডি ব্যবহার হয়, কিন্তু হ্রদের আগে নয়।
So use the for rivers. For example, the Nile, the Amazon, the Ganges. Incorrect. The crocodiles live in Nile. Correct. The crocodiles live in the Nile. Use no article for lakes. For example, Lake Victoria, Lake Superior, Lake Baikal. Incorrect. The tourists visited the Lake Victoria. Correct. The tourists visited Lake Victoria. Rule 4. Use D with plural or descriptive country names, not with simple names.
বহু বচন বা বর্ণনামূলক দেশের নামের আগে ডি ব্যবহার হয়, কিন্তু সাধারণ নামের আগে নয়।
So use D for plural or descriptive names. For example, the Netherlands, the United States, the United Arab Emirates. Incorrect. He lives in United States. Correct. He lives in the United States. Use no article for simple country names. For example, Bangladesh, Japan, Italy. Incorrect. She traveled to the Japan last summer. Correct. She traveled to Japan last summer. Rule 5. Use D with oceans and seas, but not with continents.
সমুদ্র ও মহাসাগরের আগে ডি ব্যবহার হয়, কিন্তু মহাদেশের আগে নয়।
So use D for oceans or seas. For example, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic, the Mediterranean Sea. Incorrect. Sharks are common in Pacific Ocean. Correct. Sharks are common in the Pacific Ocean. Use no article for continents. For example, Asia, Europe, Africa. Incorrect. She has never been to the Asia. Correct. She has never been to Asia. Thank you very much for being with us. See you in the next lesson.